In this video, I will show you how to turn off closed captions on FuboTV. So first, on a web browser, just open what you want to watch. And then in the bottom right, you have the CC section right there. So that's for closed captions. Now here it's currently off. If it's currently turned on, just click off and it will then be turned off. If you are on mobile, just open the app, play the video you're watching, and also tap the screen to review the controls. Then tap the gear icon or CC icon if it instantly shows up, depending on your app version, and then tap subtitles or closed captions and turn it off. If you're using a smart TV, it kind of differs. So for example, on Roku, while watching, press the star button on your Roku remote, then select closed captioning and choose off. If you're using Amazon Fire TV, press the menu button on your remote or the three lines, and also choose subtitles and then audio options, and set subtitles to off. If you're using Apple TV, swipe down on your remote's touchpad and select subtitles, then choose off. And finally, for most smart TVs, press the OK or menu button during playback, look for subtitles, captions or CC settings, and toggle it off. So now you know how to toggle off closed captions in FuboTV. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.